This setup is designed to emulate a neuron. This box is supposed to be the cell body, the red lead is supposed to be the axon hillock, and the domino chain is meant to be the axon ending in the terminal button. Neurons exist at a resting membrane potential between negative 50 and 80 millivolts. This negative charge difference across the membrane is caused by a high intracellular concentration of negatively charged proteins, along with the use of the sodium-potassium ATPase pump, which pumps out 3 sodium ions for every 2 potassium ions brought in. This pump creates a charge difference. Because of this pump, there's a much higher concentration of sodium ions, which these are meant to represent, on the outside of the cell than within the cell. If a sodium ion enters the cell, this results in a hyperpolarization of the membrane potential. If enough sodium ions enter the cell, this causes the membrane potential to reach the threshold, which is around negative 40 millivolts. If this happens, voltage-gated ion channels will open, causing an influx of sodium. The falling down of this lead, along with the falling of dominoes, is supposed to represent these voltage-gated ion channels opening. If sodium ions enter the cell, nothing happens unless the threshold is reached. The action potential is all or nothing. Once we have enough, this results in the ion channels opening, which causes adjacent voltage-gated ion channels to open due to the influx of sodium ions and the hyperpolarization down the length of the axon.